Hello everyone, my name is Omkar Shawai and today date is 14th of November 2022 and today our topic is on IOC and DI. So IOC means inversion of control and DI means dependency injection. So let's begin. When we are using the Eclipse or Notepad, these text editors, we are creating objects manually and using that objects. But in when we are using Spring or Spring Boot, objects are objects we can objects create manually, but Spring Boot also creates objects manually. Then Spring Core is responsible for creating objects. So yeah, and in IOC means inversion of control, there is a container and it creates objects of all the classes which are present in the base package, and the package which is inside the base package, and which the name of that package starts with base package name. And that classes have annotations are there above that classes. And these are annotations which are rest controller, then component service or service. Then component annotations names are starting with at the rate symbol. And the component annotation is used only for which is only participated in the IOC, and service provide the actual service for the methods which are we executing. Then the DI means direct injection, means whenever we create DI means dependency injection. And whenever we are executing a particular method, then what object will be what actually object we wanted by that method, which that object will dependency injection will find that object for that particular method, brings that from that IOC container and applies on that method. So there are three methods, three steps, or three methods, three ways to implement or creating an object. First we see, if we do not mention any constructor, then default constructor will be called by the class which is control whole our project, which class has the at the rate rest controller annotation. And if we are manually create a constructor, then that constructor will be responsible for creating an object. So if we blackmailing the if we are blackmailing the constructor by if we give a parameter of that parameter of the another class object to that constructor, then constructor will the compiler will or the Spring will confused or blackmailed by if the so Spring have to create an objects for the to run that Java that project. So to create object, Spring should call the constructor, and to call the constructor, Spring should create an object that class also. So this is the first way to create an object. Second one is to use the auto add annotation. By using auto add annotation, we can create an object and auto add which connects the class with objects. And third way is to use setter method. So setter method is return type of setter method is void, and by giving the parameterize of that class object in that setter method,